Spoke with an out-of-town person today. A family member passed away in New York. The family does not know too much information. The individual passed away, no children, no spouse, no family members, had a significant other that predeceased this individual. So now the family received notice. We have to now track down whether or not there were assets. We think that there were some assets. But the inquiry, the direct inquiry to me was, my relative passed away, I'm a nephew, and can you assist me? I don't know whether or not there was a will, I don't know whether or not there was property. So now we have to do an investigation, right? A forensic inquiry. So one of the things that we could do is we take the last known residence and then go out from there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a letter maybe I'll call first. The funeral home. Who paid for the funeral? The family that contacted me did not pay. So who paid? Who's involved? Is it the county? Did this person pass away in a facility or in a hospital? And then I'll go from there. I'll write some letters to local banks indicating that have been hired by the family. Reach out to the county, do a search for assets, make contact with and whether or not this person had an accountant to see what tax returns were filed. And from the tax returns, I could find out what assets there may have been. So I did explain to this individual, I said, why don't you do some legwork before you hire me? Contact in the neighborhood around neighborhood around where your relative lived, some local attorneys, see if they had a will. Find out if the person owns real property. Write a letter to the last known address, see if it gets forwarded anywhere. Why don't you take those steps? Person's out of state, out of position, and really just wants me and my firm to take care of this, and we will. We can do this for you as well. Reach out, frankbrunolaw.com.